my peeps, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a clean with me. Subscribe and please hit the notification button down in the corner so you know when my videos are up. Like and comment so I know how you feel about this video. Without any further ado, let's get into cleaning. Here's my Choppy here to save the day. He always wants to help, but he's always in the way. And him and Piper would not get off this couch, you guys. It was such a pain to try to clean with these two jumping and playing and kissing on the couch.
Can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me thanks. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's all shining like the stone. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there's a place where we can go, where it's all shining like the stone. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold it tight, 'cause you're the only thing that I can't lose.
Choppy and Piper are still on the couch kissing, and I'm trying to clean. I think they think they're star dogs. Look at them go. They're so adorable though, aren't they?
Is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's all shining like the stone. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there's a place where we can go.
On my glass, I'm just using regular glass cleaner. On everything else, I'm using Caldera Pear Agave Spray. I'm just not showing what I'm using because I was in such deep cleaning mode that I forgot everything to show you guys. And when I go to the kitchen, I am just using dish soap to clean the sink.
I just wanna be with you. Baby, there's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the stone. Listen to your
it's such a rainy day that it's very cloudy outside, and I didn't want to use my artificial light to film all this, so I had every light almost on in the whole house because it was so dark, and it just kept on getting darker and darker as I was cleaning. But it was nice that I had all the lights on to help out. I know you're wondering, why is that pumpkin pot still out? I use this all throughout the year, you guys. It's great for stews and roast and everything. So I use it constantly. I just love it, and it's very easy to clean, and everything turns out wonderful in it. I am using different microcloths. I must be using 3 or 4. In between that, I'm using paper towels and other cloths to clean, so I'm not using the same cloth, in case you want to know. And again, I'm using my Pear Agave spray in the dining room to clean the table and the desk. I think of you swimming through an ocean wide. As I was filming this, the UPS man came, so I stopped filming, went to the door, and when I came back, I thought I started the rest of the bathroom. Nope, didn't film it. So sorry. I'm fighting the worst in you. Falling, drowning. I'm losing the best of you. I'm drowning. I'm falling. That's it for me, you guys. I'm going to end my video here. I'm just going to finish putting my rugs down, lighting some candles, getting some breakfast, and walking the dog. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and comment so I know how you feel about this video. And you guys have a great weekend. Bye-bye. Talk to you later.
Deep end.